Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the simple boot outfit from Monsters Inc. on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. Oops. I used these bangs and only bangs in this color, and I adjusted it a little bit, Y.49, Z.57, and scaled it to 0.58. Then I used this hair in that color. I didn't really do any adjustments on that. You can't anyways. Then I used this oversized shirt in this color, CC6F72, for both toggles and make sure the design is off. Then I just added white socks, and I just added these leggings in this color, A770CC, in the second toggle, and that's it. Super simple, easy if you don't have time and the theme is like movies or something like that. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!